Hi everyone, good morning. How are you today? I hope all of you are ready to start your lesson this morning. Okay, before we start, I want you to know that today you will learn about what? Okay, today you will be able to know and remember the name of other countries. Second, you also will be able to know and remember the nationalities for each country. And lastly, you will be able to understand about adjective by answering simple questions correctly. Now, I want you to repeat after me. Ready? 1, 2, go! Brazil, Brazil. Japan, Japan. Mexico, Mexico. Italy, Italy. The US, the US. The UK, the UK. China, China. Australia, Australia. India, India. Turkey, Turkey. Spain, Spain. Egypt, Egypt. Okay, now I want you to look here. This is about the nationality. What is nationality? Nationality is kewarganegaraan. For example, we live in Malaysia. We live in Malaysia. So we are Malaysian. We are Malaysian. Okay, here, look there. India. The nationality of the people there is Indian. Turkey. The nationality of the people there is Turkish. Turkish. Brazil. The people there, we call them Brazilian. Brazilian. Meanwhile, the people in Japan, we call them Japanese. Japanese. Next, China. The people in China, we call them Chinese. Chinese. Australia, the people there, we call them Australian. Australian. The people in the US, we call them American. American. And the people in the UK, we call them British. British. So, you must remember, nationality is kewarganegara. In BM senang, kita akan cakap awak warga negara mana? Warga negara Malaysia. But in English, warga negara, we must call them Malaysian. Okay, next, the people in Mexico, we call them Mexican. Mexican. The people in Italy, we call them Italian. Spain, Spain ialah apa? Sepanyol. Okay, the people there, we call them Spanish. Spanish. And the people in Egypt, we call them Egyptian. Egyptian. Or paling mudah dia apa? Mesir, negara Mesir. Okay. Now, I want you to remember all these words, the countries and also the nationalities of the people there. Okay, before we move on, okay, I want you to know the nationality. Okay, untuk nationality ni, kita bukan hanya guna untuk kewarganegaraan, but it can be used as an adjective. As an adjective. Okay, look there. Adjective. Adjective in bahasa Melayu is kata sifat. So, that's mean we want to explain more. Nak cakap tentang sesuatu tu dengan lebih lagi. Okay, about the people, food, sports star, currency, flag or capital. Okay, for example, people. The people who live in Malaysia, we call them the Malaysian. Food, sushi. Sushi is the Japanese food. Okay, sports star. Neymar is the Brazilian sports star. Neymar is the Brazilian sports star. Currency. Okay, currency itu apa? Mata wang. Okay. Dollar is the American currency. Flag. Flag. The Japanese flag is white and red. And the last one, capital. Kuala Lumpur is the Malaysian capital. Malaysian capital. Here are some examples of nationality that can be used as adjective to describe something. Okay, he is an Italian boy. Sushi is the Japanese food. Curry is the Indian dish. Dato' Lee Chong Wei is a Malaysian sports star. Dollar is the American currency. The Japanese flag is white and red. Sydney is the Australian capital. So class, please remember, we use nationality to explain more or to describe more, untuk cakap lebih lagi tentang sesuatu. Okay, so after this, you have to answer some questions. I will share the link to answer the questions with you in our group. Okay, make sure before you answer, try to remember what have you learned. You may refer to your textbook or to this video again if you have difficulties in completing it.